New recommendations are out today for how school systems should handle the H1N1 virus. Health officials are hoping to cause as few disruptions as possible for schools and the families that go there. Here's CBS Atlanta's Rebecca Schramm.
Health officials are gearing up for what could be a challenging fall. Whenever students come together, that's when infections spread. And with the H1N1 virus not slowing down over the summer, it's almost certain to spike once school is in full swing. But the Centers for Disease Control is actually scaling back some of its recommendations.
We were able to learn a lot from the spring about what was necessary and what was maybe a little bit more than necessary.
Rear Admiral Ann Schuchat is head of the CDC's National Center for Immunization and Respiratory Diseases. She says unlike last spring, where the CDC recommended students stay home for a week if they came down with the H1N1 virus, they're now recommending kids stay home until 24 hours after the fever is gone. And instead of urging schools to close down if a few students get the virus, they're now recommending schools close only if a high number of students come down with it.
The important thing is to know how your child's doing. If your child has a fever and cough, you don't want them going to school. You want to keep them home and really take care of them there. So for parents, you want to have a plan of how am I going to do that? If I'm working, can I arrange to stay home, or can someone else take care of my child?
Dr. Schuchat says the best way to protect your family is to get not only the regular flu shot this year, but also 2 doses of the H1N1 vaccine for a total of 3 shots.
It's a lot easier to get a couple shots or to get a couple doses of a vaccine than to really go through this illness.
Dr. Schuchat estimates the H1N1 vaccine will be ready by mid-October. She says it's important now to remind your kids as they head back to class to cover their mouths when they cough and sneeze and to wash their hands vigorously. Rebecca Schramm, CBS Atlanta News.